Let's take a look at the US30 Wall Street's index. Now we've got the previous day's close around this level here, just below where we're trading at right now. This is quite some time, and we've got the Euro session before that time. So potentially what we might see is a bit of a pull away from that gap is what we're probably hoping for, so that we form then an extreme gap for us to then target. So if we open up here somewhere, we might get a nice spike up hopefully, but aiming towards that previous day's high and the close gap. Ultimately, it depends where we do open, but if we open lower around this breakout short and S1, there's a chance that we might get a rejection off these, or even down at the S2 to then look to get in long from those areas. We do have the yearly breakout long down here aligned with that S3, so if we get all the way down, it could be some excellent reversal opportunity from this level here. But anything below that, we could be going all the way down to that yearly R1. It's unlikely, but it could happen, so just be wary. On the flip side, if we maybe come down, tap that close, and then perhaps it could be just going up to perhaps say the R2 and beyond. So the levels are really quite spread out. So it's not the best scenario, and we're doing the analysis a little bit early. It depends on where the market opens, but ultimately targeting that close gap. And we'll have a look at what actually happened yesterday. So we broke through the close and the pivot for about 100 points thereabouts, and then just rallied for the day up into the R3. Had a nice rejection off that R2 for about 120 points. So the market is starting to get that Christmas rally underway. Let's take a look at the monthly chart. We're trading right up around those all-time highs. On the weekly, we're kind of getting a lot of momentum off this yearly breakout long. So we may be heading north further. Just be wary of that if you are targeting that close gap. Just looking for any other opportunities. And look, there's not really too much in the way of analysis. What I'll be watching for though is rejections off these levels. They're very spread out, so there's nothing too indicative of what might happen. Best of luck with your trading.